We're headed to the hottest place on Earth. That would be Death Valley, California. Temperatures there around 120 degrees this week. No big deal.
And it's just the thing for runners arriving to participate in the Badwater Ultra Marathon. Meteorologist Paul Goodlow has more on the wild race and the people who run it.
Death Valley, hot, dry, and extreme. Situated in the Mojave Desert in California, Death Valley holds the world record for the highest recorded temperature on Earth, a scorching 134 degrees.
Was recorded here at Furnace Creek, July 10th, 1913. It's never been broken.
This week in Death Valley, the temperatures have soared to 123 degrees, but that's not stopping the hardcore group of runners that descend on Death Valley every year to run in the Badwater Ultra Marathon.
Whatever you do right now, don't start thinking about that 135 miles of scorching highway and 3 mountain ranges in front of you.
These are some of the world's toughest and some would say craziest athletes. They come to run in the most extreme conditions over 2 days and 135 grueling miles.
I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm out here doing it.
The pavement's been 202 degrees, so if you wear the wrong shoes, the gel in certain shoes will explode and will literally melt on the pavement.
Many who start this race will not finish. Some of the dangers: dehydration, cramps, blisters, even heat stroke. The participants will train for years for this event.
It's my dream since about 10 years to run that race, and this year I'm lucky that I can do it.
Already billed as the world's toughest foot race, the Badwater could just keep getting badder as temperatures continue to rise in an increasingly warming world.
The kind of extremes that we see here at Death Valley are not normal for the rest of the planet. But what we are finding is that the averages that we have are getting into higher and higher ranges.
The forecast in Death Valley for this year's race? Well, somewhere in the neighborhood of 120 blistering degrees. I'm meteorologist Paul Goodlow.
Simply amazing. Now, ahead on Wake Up With That, we're going to be joined in studio by one of the runners who's heading to California to run in that ultra marathon.
We're going to find out why he wants to run it, first of all, and how you prepare for that. That's coming up in the next hour.
You got to be something special, that's for sure.